In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to ask questions and get helpful answers inside your workspace. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to work. This can be a notes page, a project page, a task list, or any document inside your workspace where you need support. Starting from the right page matters because Notion AI can use the context of what you already have on screen to give more relevant and useful responses. Once your page is open, click the Ask AI option. This is the feature that lets you interact directly with Notion AI without leaving your workspace. It's designed to help you think, write, summarize, and organize information more efficiently, all from within the page you're already using. After that, type your question clearly. Try to be direct and specific about what you want. A clear prompt usually leads to a better answer. For example, instead of typing something vague, focus on the exact help you need, such as summarizing notes, explaining something on the page, or helping you organize a task. The more precise your wording is, the easier it is for the AI to respond in a way that matches your goal. Next, ask about the page, your workspace, your notes, or the task you need help with. This is where Notion AI becomes especially useful because it can support both simple and more detailed requests. You might want help understanding information already written on the page, refining a piece of writing, or getting assistance with planning the next steps for a task. Then wait for Notion AI to generate an answer. This usually only takes a moment. During this step, give it time to process your request and create a response based on the content and context available. When the answer appears, review it carefully for accuracy. This is an important step. AI can be very helpful, but you should still make sure the response is correct, relevant, and appropriate for what you need. Read through it with your own goal in mind and check whether it matches the context of your page. If the first answer is not enough, ask a follow-up question. This helps you refine the response and get closer to exactly what you want. You can clarify, request more detail, or ask for a different version of the answer. Finally, copy, edit, or insert the answer into your Notion page. From there, you can adjust the wording, keep only the useful parts, or place it directly into your notes or task document so it becomes part of your workflow.